Hi friends! In this vlog, we're in Singapore and we're checking in at Travelodge Harbourfront. Real talk, one of the main reasons why we booked this is yung bidet. Priorities talaga, di ba? Pero aside from that, it's very close to Sentosa and Universal Studios Singapore. So, if Universal SG is in your itinerary, this vlog is for you. I'll show you everything from the lobby, syempre a room tour, the breakfast, pool, plus the honest pros and cons before you book. Hello! First impression of the hotel, the lobby is small. You'll see na the receptionist area, a few items for sale, a locker area where you can pick up grab orders, plus some vending machines. This is also where they serve the breakfast buffet, and honestly, at first glance, parang masyadong basic lang. Hi! Welcome! Wow. Hi! Ito ang room nila. So, meron silang twin beds. They have twin beds and manotice ninyo, ang bed ay sobrang taas from the floor. No? And then okay for you, ma? Na mas taas? No?
Design for me.
Design for me. Design for mama. Kasi yung mga senior, hindi pwedeng mababa yung bed kasi mahirap sa tuhod. Pero at least ito, mataas yung bed, di ba? And then ito, namili talaga kami ng room na merong window. Hindi lang kita right now, pero sana may maganda yung view. Buong wall pala window. Tingnan natin. Ang toilet. Malaki yung salamin. Ito ay shower. Naka-separate. Shower. Nanay kuan mo, shower gel and shampoo. Nanadiya. Napoy warm water, rainfall in yung shower. And then naay bidet. Naay bidet, pupo station. And then dito sa harap merong sink. Ayan, sink. And then ang laman ay mga nadili ang ano ma.
What's that? Kettle?
Kettle, tapos na ay decaf coffee. Decaf, na ay classic na instant coffee, na ay tea, na ay sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, creamer. Oo, kasi sa Singapore ay pwedeng inumin ang water. Tapos merong toothbrush and toothpaste. Tapos meron pang suklay. Meron pang cotton buds. Meron pang shower cap. Complete. Merong mga cups dito, ganyan. Ito, anong laman? Ito, ref. Ay! Ayan, merong water sa ref. And then, andito yung trash can. And then, merong safe. Kung may mga valuables. May chinelas dito ha. Slippers, merong blow dry, merong laundry something. Tapos, pwede nyo isabit dito ang mga damit. So, dito may mirror. Dito mirror. Nagdala pa mo ganger?
Oh, I don't have her.
Nagdala pa mo ganger? Oo, ayan. That's it. Ay, may workstation. Oh, ayan. Pwede ka mag-work here. Telephone, may lights. Ayan po ang mga saksakan. Ayan. And then may TV. Manonood kami ng physical ash. Physical ash. Ayan. Kumusta ang bed ma?
Nice.
Nice ang bed.
Friendly.
Senior friendly. Hindi masakit sa likod yung firm, no?
Oh.
Firm. Ay. Pillow, nice din yung pillow. Ayan. Ang room tour natin featuring Mama and Babes and Arman. Ngayon naman, andito naman kami sa room namin ni Arman. Nasa 3rd floor kami. Nakita ko na to actually yung room namin, pero papakita ko sa inyo how it looks like. And hello Arman. Ay, nag-video din siya. So to your left here, ito talaga yung main reason kung bakit pinili ko ito. Lahat ng rooms daw merong bidet, sabi kanina sa reception. Tinanong ko talaga, or do all your rooms have a bidet? Sabi nila, yes, meron. So, okay, ayan. Meron tayong bidet, guys, which is very rare for Singapore. Very similar naman yung layout dun sa room ni na Mama. So, to your right, ayan, to your left pala, may mirror. And then to your right, meron ding mirror. And then similar na we have our faucet here. Ayan, most likely same lang yung laman nito, mga amenities, ganyan. Dito naman sa Singapore sabi, our tap water is safe to drink. Ayan, so up to you na lang kung kampante kayo dyan na uminom ng tap water. And then ayan, on this side, yung lagayan ng hangers, mga clothes. And then let's see if the shower area, ay, may frosted pa. Yun. Ayan, same lang, iba lang yung orientation pero Basically, the same lang siya. Iba yung orientation ng beds kina mama kanina. Nakaganito na side sa amin. Para mas maluwag, no?
Yeah.
Mas maluwag siya ng ganito. Pero tingnan mo, gano'ng kataas yung bed. Tsaka mas malawak yung work area. And then, ito yung may window. Kasi nag-request kami ng room na may window. And then,
view natin is parang, it's like a temple or parang mosque or I don't know.
ayun, ito yung TV. Dito na side. Okay naman, decent naman siya, no? Good enough for 2 people. Hindi siya like, hindi mo kayang tumambling dito, gano'n. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, pero spacious na siya enough for the both of us. That's our room tour. Next naman ay tingnan na natin yung mga amenities ng hotel. Kanina nadaanan namin, meron silang laundry area. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga amenities na meron sila dito para makita nyo rin baka that's something that you would need for your stay. So at the 7th floor of Travelodge Hotel, they also have a pantry area where you can refill some of your stocks and even clean some of your plates and replenish some of your food. So I'm gonna show it to you what it looks like. So if you need supplies for food, it's all here. So to your right, there's an ice dispenser. If you need ice for your drinks, and then this is their fridge. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, you can store some of your stuff here. If the fridge inside your rooms are too small, then you can store some of your food and stuff in here. Ayan, fridge. Oh, it's already filled. The freezer already has a lot of stuff in it. There's also a place where you can wash your cups and glasses. Ayan, there's sponge and liquid, dishwashing liquid. A paper towel here. Is this? Dishwasher din. Ayan. You can just get your coffee here. There's free coffee. We had to buy coffee every day without knowing that there's one available. There's a coffee maker available here. And then more supplies here for your drinks. Tea, creamer, sugar, and then the stirrers. This is the microwave oven. And then there's another fridge here. Yan, fridge. More plates, the halal plates. Oh, that's really thoughtful of them. Halal plates, and then I'm guessing these are the non-halal ones. Okay, and then there's a hand sanitizer, and then a cling wrap. What is this? Yeah, more cling wrap. There's also a first aid kit, in case you need it. So there. This is their pantry area. And there's actually more iron and ironing board and even thread in this part of the room as well. So everything is very self-service, guys. So now you know. We didn't know, and it's our last day here already. So if ever you're going to stay here at Travelodge Hotel, now you know that there's a pantry area at the 7th floor.
The pool is also pretty simple, small, but enough for kids naman to swim around. It's open daily from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. One more tip, they have a rooftop bar called Skyfall and it opens from 5 p.m. It can get really noisy at night. Yung mom and sister ko, they were on the 10th floor and they could still hear the music and partying. So if you want a quieter stay, I suggest na you book rooms on the lower floors. Breakfast is, like I said, simple lang, nothing fancy, and you'll basically be eating at a table set up in the lobby area, so don't expect a dedicated restaurant na vibe. Now, the biggest advantage right across the hotel is Vivo City, which makes everything so easy. If you're going to Sentosa and Universal Studios, this location is super convenient. From Vivo City, you can either ride the monorail or even walk going to Sentosa. But here's one of the biggest downsides. Yung nearest na convenience store is inside Vivo City, which is about mga 10-minute walk away. And because it's inside a mall, it's not 24 hours. The good news is the hotel lobby has vending machines and small items for sale, so you can still grab basic necessities if needed. For public transport, you're covered. There's a bus stop near Vivo City, about a 2-minute walk lang away. And if you want the MRT, Harbourfront station is around 5 minutes on foot. Overall, we still enjoyed our stay. The comfort was good and the accessibility is honestly a good part din, especially if you're spending a lot of time in Sentosa. Just keep in mind yung mga cons, no nearby 24-hour convenience store, and the noise can be an issue on the upper floors. If you're planning to stay at Travelodge Harbourfront, make sure that you use the promo code Pinoy Foodie Klook when you book on Klook for discounts on your booking. I hope you had fun sa pagsama sa amin in this video. If you want more family videos like this one and mga food trip, please like this video and subscribe to my channel then. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye!